Few Indian taboo which should be removed. Let's know it. Hello, welcome back to my channel. India is a country with a diverse range of cultures, customs, and religions, resulting in a stable, vibrant, wealthy, and diverse society. It's incredible to think that India's north, south, east, and west all have their own cultures and traditions. India has 29 states and 7 union territories spread throughout the country. In India, there are 22 languages and numerous religions such as Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, and others. Whereas Hindi is India's official language. India, on the other hand, is the world's oldest civilization, with people still adhering to old cultures of caring and humanity. Even though people have become more urban in today's world, they continue to celebrate festivals according to tradition. Everything is seeming amazing, right? Just there is one thing which no one questions and no one has answer for that. Why don't we subscribe and ring the notification bell before we get started? That way, you'll never miss another one of our awesome videos. You might have heard from your parents, you scored so less, and again Mr. Sharma's son has scored so well. He is your mate, right? Or oh my god, that girl is wearing such a short top. How shameful this is. Or everything is okay, but don't you think that boy is thinner than that girl? I know you must have heard all of such sentences, and many more to be honest. But have you ever wondered why such people have such a bad mentality? On the first place, why can't these people mind their own business? Let's dive in and figure out why some people's has no good mentality. 1. Log kia kench, what will people think and speak? Yes, you might hear this every now and then. You scored less in exams, what will say? You are wearing a miniskirt? What will people think? You have married a girl of some other religion? What will people say? I really want to know who will say what and who will think what. If a woman is wearing a crop top and her stomach is visible, then that is shameless, but if a woman is wearing sari and showing her stomach, then it's #sanskar tradition. If a boy is crying at his dad's funeral, then whole society come to him and say, boys don't cry, latka wrote thodi hai. To all the uncles and aunts who do so, it's my humble request to let him cry because it's his dad's funeral. Stop objectifying. Blue is not only for boys, pink is not only for girls. 2. People will see everything but not to help, rather talk. Have you seen Mrs. Suchdeva's daughter? She was walking down the lane with a guy. I already knew this type of girls are like that. So here is my question, they are like what? Please specify the adjectives. A boy is bleeding in there. We should go and help. Yes, we should go. But my question is, do we actually go and help or even call an ambulance? 3. Talking about sex or sex-related stuff is highly prohibited. They want their girls and boys to be virgin till the time of marriage, but just after marriage they want to become grandparents. Remember, whenever there is some condom advertisement, and you were sent to kitchen to get water, father or mother. Or in school, if you share anything about your sexual desires, become a big issue. Nevertheless, sex is highly restricted before marriage, but they want that their children should do sex immediately after marriage. Firstly, to check their daughter's in-laws' virginity status, and secondly, they want grandchildren as soon as possible. Why is premarital sex such a big taboo? And the list is too long to enlist. If you want us to make another video on this topic, let us know in the comments section below, because I know my whys are your whys. There are too many demerits in many country, but we try to remove it because we make our country. So, that's all for today's show. I will get back to you with another video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that whenever I will back with another video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching.